Hello, my name is Jake Simonton, and I am a moderate needs secondary special education teacher. I am going into my third year of teaching moderate needs in secondary schools, my second at Central High School in Grand Junction, Colorado. And I'm going to be presenting the understanding the importance of social and emotional learning and teaching to the whole student. Again, understanding the importance of social and emotional learning in public education today is so important because we need to be hitting all four domains or all four pies of the individual student in order to be reaching them, as our students today require so many skills and their needs are so different. They must be met in order for them to be successful in the ever-changing 21st century. Our schools have focused previously on the 3 R's of reading, writing, and arithmetic, also known for reading, writing, and arithmetic. That was what the intellectual domain focused on for the first 160 years of public education. In the last 30 to 40 years, our schools have seen bigger needs become apparent as our schools have been failing the individual student. And the 4 domains, I believe, must be addressed to educate the whole child and they must include the intellectual domain, the physical domain, the emotional and social domains. And if we can equally teach to these domains and individualize our educational system more in a way that meets the needs of each individual student, I believe we can be successful, and students will not only be ready for the 21st century, but they will be able to take on the challenges that the ever-changing 21st century has, and the public school system will become a success, and the United States will begin to climb in the rankings of education, and more importantly, truly no child will be left behind.